Alright guys, here's a little update video of from the live earlier. We had a misfire, so I got we were getting a flash and check engine light and down on power, and it made the exhaust leak that it had worse. And that makes sense because now you got a cylinder that's basically just pumping air into the exhaust. So instead of exhaust fumes. But no more misfire, no more light. She's fixed. The only thing I would suggest is I was in a jam and I needed to have this fixed today. I couldn't drive around on a misfire. I could already smell the cat melting. So there was no way that we were going to be able to drive around on a misfire. So, and I wasn't going to let that happen. So we went to Advanced and we paid $73 for one coil pack. When on Rock Auto, the Hyundai brand is $39, which is a direct replacement. $39 a piece, or one of the better reviews was like $8.99 a piece. So I could have gotten all the coils and the plugs, but I did 6 plugs and I did that one coil. And the 3 coils, the other 2 coils in the back, they had cracks just like the one that went bad did. So that clicking you here and there, I was wondering what that was too. That's the vent valve for the evap system, for the evap emissions. Yeah. So it had a little bit of an exhaust leak at the flex pipe, and now it's louder because of that misfire. And but she's fixed now. But if you can, the local parts stores are a ripoff. And I guarantee you that same part that I put in is probably that $8 part that I could have got from Rock Auto, which is bullshit. So more than likely I'll be taking that intake manifold back off so I could put 5 more coil packs on it, because that's not gonna fly. Dizzy, my girl said thank you about the flowers. Everybody, that's it. It's the ghetto. Till the next one.